A very good morning, children. Today we are going to do our next English work in our notebooks. So children, take out your notebook and your blue marker pencil only. Fine. Firstly, you have to write down date here. Then read the heading. Let us find vowel in words and underline it. Fine. So I have written few words with all the vowels, vowel A, E, I, O, U. Let's start finding the vowel. F, A, N, fan. Where is vowel here? Yes. A is a vowel in fa, a, na, fan. Next word is bed. B, E, D, bed. So E is a vowel here. Next word is pa, I, na, pin. P, I, N, pin. I is a vowel in this word. Next word is O, W, L, owl. So O is a vowel here. Come to the next line. Next word is B, U, N, bun. B, A, N, bun. Where is vowel in it? U is a vowel here. Next word is rat. Where is vowel here? R, A, T, rat. Where is vowel in this word? Yes, A is a vowel here. J, A, T, jet. J, E, T, jet. E is a vowel in this word. Next word is L, I, D, lid. L, I, D, lid. I is a vowel in this word. Come to the next line. P, O, T, pot. P, O, T, pot. Where is vowel? Vowel O. C, U, B, cub. K, A, B, cub. So U is a vowel here. Now next word is egg. E, G, G, egg. Where is vowel in this? This is a vowel. Okay. Next word is nib. N, I, B, nib. N, I, B, nib. I is a vowel here. Come to the fourth line. Next word is mat. M, A, T, mat. M, A, T, mat. Where is vowel here? A. This is a vowel. Next word is fin. F, I, N, fin. F, I, N, fin. So I is a vowel here. Next word is T, U, B, tub. T, A, B, tub. U is a vowel in it. Next word is job. J, O, B, job. J, O, B, job. O is vowel in this word. Okay? Come to the fifth row. H, U, T, hut. H, A, T, hut. U is a vowel in this word. Next word is gem. J, A, M, gem. G, E, M, gem. Where is vowel in this word? E is a vowel. And where is vowel in this word? Fog. F, O, G, fog. F, O, G, fog. Yes. This is vowel O here. Come to the next word. V, A, N, van. V, A, N, van. Where is vowel here? This is a vowel. Okay. Come to the sixth and last row. Come to the sixth and last row. L, E, G, leg. L, A, G, leg. So here is vowel E in this word. Next word is T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. Here is vowel A in this word. Next word is Pa, I, G, pig. Where is vowel in this? Yes, vowel I. Next and last word is G, O, T, got. Where is vowel in this word? Yes, vowel O is here. So children, we have completed this exercise, and the same way you will do in your copy with your own. Thank you.